You've started the machine, the software's come up. Now you need to home it. First of all, hit the button down below to turn the power on. Turn the power on. Then to come up, you go clear the error messages, go stop, start, reset. And you'll get an error message here saying access not calibrated, homing must be performed. So you click on quote. Quote is what you use for manual movement, homing, but everything at the start must be homed. So now you see it's on global homing, you just click start. Click start again, sometimes you gotta click it. Now you'll see these values start to change, which means as the CNC is moving, and you'll hear it. And you wait for all the values to stop. It's okay, well just keep it on the computer screen. And it will change from global homing to automatic. Once it moves to automatic, you know the machine's home. The only thing that will prevent it from homing is if there's a loose wire or you step on the mats and you gotta hit the green button to reset. Now she's home. At the same time, your work schedule just came up on the board, so you can see what the last shift finished, provided they saved it at the end of the night. Always at the end of the night, click on this save button to save what you've run, so the next shift can see what was produced down this column, and put comments in here if you run into any issues. Now, I'm going to show you how to open any program. Open. All files must be in this prog. If they're not in here, the machine won't recognize and won't run. So look at the directory. It starts at local disk, WNC, then home, DXN, PP, and prog. Everything's in prog. Here's all the projects and job files you want to work from. So you can go in here and pull any part. This is strictly for parts or nested sheets that are saved in here. For example, you can see them on the side for the plinth cabinet. This is a nested sheet. In this one, machine programs, is for changing tools or facing the surface when there's too many lines. In addition, there's making new spoil boards when the existing MDF spoil boards are machined too deep and they've run out of thickness. I'll show an example of loading a program. These are generic files where you can go for doors or any cabinets to change. So here's a door. And to add this to the program list, you come over to the side menu and you'll see the message come up that says add program to job list. I click, I come down to the worksheet, and you'll see that the program's added there. Now I can change the quantities as well to move it around. That's how you get started. Now I'm going to show you some other operations and other files.